Okay, everyone, what happens if you tamper with fire alarms at my house? If you pull the fire alarms at my house, you are going to get in big trouble, you are going to go to jail, and you are going to end up like Jonathan who pulled Dale's fire alarms. So that's why you don't pull my fire alarms. Also, if you are in my room and you have my screwdriver and you are unscrewing the fire alarm, that is a no-no. Not only that you are tampering with my alarm, but you are using my screwdriver without permission. And you are tampering with my alarm, and that is a felony. So don't do that. Unless you are helping me out with swapping alarms. But if I don't give you permission to tamper with it, leave it alone. Same goes for other people's houses, and if they have alarms in their house, don't tamper with those unless they give you permission. You don't tamper with any alarms, especially in public. You don't ever tamper with those. Take my words of advice very seriously. Bye.